Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
It's our day to get out of Florence, and we've already gotten out of Florence in a bit of hurry because we wanted to do a couple of more things in Florence before we drove out of there towards Como, which is what we're going to be exploring today. But before driving out to Como, we explored the central market of Florence. We went to the central market yesterday, but we went in when it was already closed.
Yeah, it was closed yesterday. Google did say that it's open till 7, but it's not. So yesterday we couldn't pick up the Parmigiano Reggiano. So today we went back early morning, 7 in the morning when it opens. And we got all the goods. We also got food and some munchies as well.
True that. So, and I had a little bit of breakfast. I was a little hungry, so Sangeeta got me a stracciatella and some very tasty cake. What's it called? Any idea?
One that we got was the Bambolini.
The Bambolini. Yes, that you had. And she also got me one orange cake, something which we had tried in Naples. And we'd been searching it for the last 2 years. Every time we went to Italy, but we couldn't find it. And Sangeeta found it today, and it was so tasty. So now we are out of Florence. We are driving towards Como. We plan to make a pit stop at Milan. The drone that we've bought, DJI drone. DJI has a store in Milan, and I just wanted to explore it a little bit to find out what other accessories we may be able to find for the drone. So we're going to make a very short pit stop at Milan and then drive on to Como. So if you're all set, let's go! साथी चल
मुझे के साथ चल तू यूं ही दिन रात चल तू संभल मेरे साथ चल तू ये हाथों में हाथ चल तू ओ साथी चल
The magic of grocery and departmental stores continues to have its effect on Sangeeta. What is this?
Sunscreen.
Okay. Is it good?
I think so.
Okay.
I want mint. शैम्पू नहीं क्या जेल का कपड़ा
तो लोग जो ब्लॉग का टाइटल देख के सोच रहे होंगे ऐसा क्या हमने डिस्कवर कर लिया मिलान में। हमने डिस्कवर कर लिया ये संगीता का मन भरा नहीं है विद ऑल द मिकेले दी पिज्जा। सो या Sangeeta, pizza number
12 I think.
You eat first.
So good.
One more you have ordered. You're totally not guilty about it. Do not make that face.
I'm not at all. Let's see.
Hello, madam. आपने तीसरा पिज्जा लिया है किस?
नहीं, वहाँ 3 खाए हमने, ये चौथा है।
ये चौथा पिज्जा है।
जी 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 जी।
आपको कुछ कहना है और?
नहीं, अभी तक हमने 14 pizzas as per my counting in 2 days we have eaten. Breakfast, lunch and dinner.
So we're done with our work in Milan. We had only 20-25 minute का काम at the DJI store, but somebody found out. Somebody, who I don't know. Somebody found out that Milan also has an outlet of L'Antica Pizzeria de Michele, and somebody decided that we will go and have pizzas, and we had 3 pizzas over there. संगीता, हम क्या सिर्फ पिज्जा खाने आए हैं इस ट्रिप पे?
Yes.
बस अब तो मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकता।
No, but you like it, right?
Of course, no two thoughts about it. It's a very tasty pizza, and one cannot have enough of it. But given the craziness that we are going through with these pizzas, ऐसा लगता है कि one should have enough of it, but one can't have enough of it. So
नहीं, so हो गया अभी और क्या? अभी we are now going to go back to Switzerland tomorrow.
yes,
So then there is no pizza anymore.
yes.
1 week later.
So now we're gonna get out of Milan. We are on our way to Como. We are driving to Varenna, which is on the east coast of Lake Como. And the first sights of Lake Como.
Wow, breathtaking.
It's just like dry out of the tunnel to this view.
Yes.
Beautiful. So we finally reached Lake Como, and we are at the village of Varenna, which is pronounced as Verana. It's extremely windy, and it's giving all both of us some amazing looks with our hair and everything. So quick trivia for you guys: Verana is one of the most, it's one of the prettiest villages on the coast of Como. So the one on the opposite bank, that is village Bellagio, and then if you guys know, Como is in a Y shape. So at the juncture of the Y, the village that you see there, that is village Bellagio. We on our part, since we are taking it slow, we've just done Verana, and it's extremely, extremely beautiful. There is the castle of Verana, which from the outside, it's basically a castle, not castle, what is it called? Mansion.
Mansion. It's owned by people.
Yes, it's a mansion. Now we're gonna spend some time on the banks of Como for a little while. So there's this cafe next to the parking at Casa Verana on the Verana station. We're just going in to check if they have got hot chocolate because it is extremely cold. Right, Sangeeta?
They say they have.
Okay, they do say they have chocolate.
Thank you so much. We took it to go. We'll drink it in the car.
Sure. So you can also take a train to Verona from Milan. It takes about an hour to get you to Verona. Right, Sangeeta? Have the chocolate and tell us how is it.
Yes. It's freezing. Very good. Very good. It's nice actually. You should taste.
I'll have. So I decided I'll take a pit stop at Villa Cipressi. Now, they've converted Villa Cipressi into a hotel, but you can still go down to the beachfront through this small alley that they have just next to the hotel entrance. And there's about 200 steps to go down to the beach. So I'm walking down. Sangeeta's feeling a bit tired, so she did not accompany me, but she too has an amazing view at the moment because the parking spot that we got overlooks the waterfront. So she's having a great time as well. You can also access the garden at Villa Caprese Hotel for a mere 10 euro ticket. But today it seems they're having a private event today, and so they've shut down the garden a tad bit early. Otherwise, it usually opens at 9 in the morning. So had to give it a miss. Now we're gonna make our way to the B&B finally. It's very tired. I'm quite tired driving. So we're gonna go and take rest at the B&B. Ciao. And that marks the end of our Italy road trip. We hope you had a great time watching our vlogs on Florence and Lake Como. If you haven't yet watched the Florence vlog, click on the link above. And now it's time to return to Switzerland. Catch us in our next vlog exploring the snowy mountains of Andermatt and the beautiful town of Lucerne. We'll see you in our next vlog. Until then,
Toodles!